Welcome back. This is Lesson 1.2 of ClaudeForge, first interactive session inside a real repository. We'll build the mental model for how interactive sessions work, track our token budget, and understand context management. This will all be against the Express.js repository, a real, production-grade node, JS codebase. The naive approach of pasting code into a chat window lacks context, budget visibility, and persistence. The interactive session model fixes this. Claude knows the directory manifest, context is additive via /add, you track tokens with /status, and the session persists across exchanges. This allows for coherent reasoning across files you load. When you type Claude, 3 steps occur. First, your OAuth token is validated, connecting you to Anthropic's model. Second, Claude searches for and loads a Claude.md file if present, which we'll use in Lesson 1.4. Third, a directory manifest is built, allowing Claude to answer structural questions without loading file contents, saving context space. /add and /status are your context budget controls. /add loads a file's literal contents into your context, persisting for the session. /remove frees that space. /status shows loaded files, their token cost, and your total budget. Run /status at the start, after each /add, and before large tasks to manage your 200K token limit effectively. The @mention is for ephemeral one-turn context. Use it to load a file like package.json for a single question without permanently adding it to your session's token budget. Use /add when a file is central to a multi-step task, will be referenced repeatedly, or when you need it in your /status readout for tracking. Understand the difference between /clear and session end. /clear wipes the conversation history, but keeps all loaded files, directory manifest, and the session connection intact. This is the cheaper way to start a fresh thread. Exiting the session with exit or Ctrl+C clears everything, requiring a full reload upon restart. This live exercise involves 8 steps in the Express.js repo to demonstrate key concepts. You start with a baseline /status, ask orientation questions answered by the manifest, use /add and inspect token cost, test the ephemeral @mention, perform multi-file synthesis, and finally test the effect of /clear. To achieve production readiness, make /status your first command to set a baseline. Plan your context budget, using /remove aggressively to manage the 200K token limit. Remember, sessions are local. Claude.md is the shared team context. Use /clear as a reset valve to ditch conversation history without reloading files. For homework, run this orientation process in your actual work repository. Save the output as orientation-notes.md. It will form the basis of your Claude.md in Lesson 1.4. Next, in Lesson 1.3, you'll make your first AI-assisted code edit using the diff loop, asking Claude to make a bounded change.